Hi guys, this is Yamini and welcome to my startup Germany. In this video, I'm going to talk about Kleinunternehmerreglung, which is also called Small Business Rule for Freelancers. So what exactly is a Kleinunternehmerreglung? Kleinunternehmerreglung is made up of two or let's say three German words, Kleinunternehmerreglung, which translates into small business rule. And the biggest benefit of registering as a Kleinunternehmer is that you do not have to deal with VAT for your taxes, for your invoices, or for your expenses. How is being a Kleinunternehmer different from being a normal freelancer in Germany? So if you register as a Kleinunternehmer, you don't have to deal with VAT declaration at all. And you also don't have to charge or claim VAT on your invoices or on your business expenses. How do you know if you qualify to be a Kleinunternehmer? Whether you are a freelancer or a sole trader in Germany, you can register as a Kleinunternehmer if your income did not exceed 22,000 euros in the first financial year. Second condition is that it will not exceed, or it is not expected to exceed, more than 50,000 euros in the current year. If you fulfill both of these conditions, then you can also register yourself as a Kleinunternehmer. And what exactly happens once you have registered as a Kleinunternehmer? The biggest change would be how you deal with your VAT, which means when you send out invoices to your clients, you don't have the obligation to charge VAT, or you don't even have to show VAT in your invoices. What you do have to show is a special declaration that Kleinunternehmer have to add in their invoices. So I will put a link in the description with these variations, so you can choose whichever one you want to put in your invoices. And how can you register as a Kleinunternehmer? The process to register as a Kleinunternehmer is same as registering as a freelancer. You have to fill up the tax registration form for self-employment, which is called Fragebogen zur steuerlichen Erfassung. And in this form, there is an option where you can check if you want to register as a small business in Germany. And I will put a link in the description. And there's another video on my channel which shows a walkthrough of how you can register as a freelancer. So what happens to your taxes when you register as a Kleinunternehmer? Freelancers who are registered as Kleinunternehmer also have to pay taxes like other freelancers. You will still pay your quarterly tax payments, which is called Einkommensteuervorauszahlung. You will have to file a profit and loss statement, which is called Anlage EUR. You will also have to file an income tax return, which is called Einkommensteuererklärung. I think I got it right. The biggest tax benefit for you is, of course, that you do not have to deal with VAT at all. You do not need to declare your VAT quarterly or monthly. So one thing to keep in mind is that even though it is called Kleinunternehmerreglung or a small business rule, it's not exactly a rule per se, it's more of an option. So when I registered myself as a freelancer in Germany, I had zero clients, zero income. I chose not to register as a Kleinunternehmer. Instead, I got my VAT ID and I wanted to charge VAT, and I also wanted to claim VAT on my business expenses. So you can absolutely skip this option. If you want to charge VAT to your clients, or if you want to claim VAT on your business expenses, you can go ahead and register as a normal freelancer and completely skip the Kleinunternehmerreglung part. So I think I have covered pretty much everything about Kleinunternehmer in Germany. If you have any additional questions that I probably missed, then please feel free to ask me in the comments below. I will try my best to answer them. And if you want to understand German freelancer taxes, I have an entire playlist explaining the basics of freelancer taxes. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not already, or give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can circulate my content. And happy freelancing!